I'm going to show you a fixed assets Fiori app called Depreciation List in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me for projects, please find my LinkedIn in the description of this video. If you are now just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. I'm building a document that will become a PDF, how to navigate in SAP at a glance YouTube channel. In case you want to receive the PDF once it's ready, please send me a LinkedIn message. You can find my ID in the description of this video with the message, I want the PDF, and your email, and once it's ready, I'll send it to you. Just found this interesting Fiori app, of course, in the SAP Fiori library. And I would like to share it with you how to navigate in this very interesting Fiori app. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the Fiori LAUNCHPAD. For the ones that have not seen any video Fiori apps in my channel, if you don't know how to navigate in the Fiori LAUNCHPAD, you can find in the description of this video the videos that will tell you step by step how to do it. Also, if you don't know how to search Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori library, you also can find the link in this video. So now let's start with the topic of today's video. So I have this one called here, this depreciation lists. I'm going to click to get in. It's quite easy to work with. So as usual, we have the fiscal year. What is the period that we are analyzing? We put 12, which means is the 12 periods. And then, of course, ordinary depreciation, what we want to display, the type of depreciations that we have in SAP. Ordinary depreciation, special depreciation, and planned depreciations and transfer of reserves. Okay, we start for the ordinary depreciation. Company code, which ledger, 0L for my case that I'm analyzing. Currency is mandatory. Depreciation area also mandatory. And I'm not going to put anything else, and I'm going directly to the report itself. Just trigger the report. When we open what we have asset class. When we open, we can find asset class. If I go down one more step, I see the fixed assets and the name asset subnumber is 0. Okay, in this case, there is no subnumber for this one. So here I can see the acquisition value and I see the posted amount. So one thing that I wanted to remind or to inform you, this posted amount is related with the information that I chosen here, ordinary depreciation, because I wanted to show something before we carry on with the analysis of this. Now, if I'm going to change this for unplanned depreciation, for example, and I run my report, I still have the information here, the acquisition value, but then when I go down, I get the same asset number, and I have posted amount 0, which means that I don't have any unplanned depreciation posted. We can go inside of the asset, which this is the net book value. We drill down and I have here the depreciations. I choose the option depreciations. And here you can see that there is no unplanned depreciations for these assets, or there is no special or transfer. You see, I have only ordinary depreciations for this asset. One of the things that you see, the asset starts in the period number 3, means it was acquired in March. Here we can see it is posted and here is planned. Okay, this is quite similar in what we have in our SAP GUI transaction. Let's go back one step more, and then I want to move ahead to the ordinary depreciation, which is what I wanted to show, because we have documents. Something that is normally, I do remember when I'm analyzing to find documents of the depreciations. And when there is an issue, we need to help the business or our client to find. It was always very difficult to find the document generated by the depreciation. But here, and especially the line item of the document sometimes is huge. Well, in this case, this is a testing system. We have just a few assets, but in a production system is huge. So there is something very, very nice in this app. I'm going to show you right now. But before of that, if you are enjoying this video, please make a like to us because I'm enjoying a lot making this video for you. So now here you can see we click more settings. So I wanted to find journal entry. So the document that has generated by this depreciation. Depending on the speed of the server, this might take a little bit time. So please be patient. So now I have the two columns that I inserted here. So I can see that what was in these depreciations, I have actually a credit and a debit, but I can see what was the FI document created by this. We can give a quick look. We can have a quick look in the document itself because here is much easier to get it there, much faster. So 2024, and then we can see that the line item number 2 is the one that generated that posting. If I go there to the Fiori app, the line item number 2, it is a debit. And then this is the one that generated this document. And also what we can see if we are in the document, we can see also this in the Fiori apps. So in the line item number 2, I can double click and I can clarify that this is the asset, the line of the one that I have here in the Fiori app itself. Okay, more information that we can navigate here. So when this is blue, it means that there is some links. When I click with my left in the mouse, here I can see that there is some Fiori apps already defined as default. And I also can see more Fiori apps here. This is also a very good way to find Fiori apps related to assets. So whatever is here being displayed are Fiori apps related to assets. I'm just going to cancel for the time being, and I want to show that this is another Fiori app called Asset Values, which is quite similar with one that we have in SAP FICO, this one here, which we called Asset Explorer. It's quite similar. The Asset Explorer, if we see it in my Fiori app, is the same thing. Okay, here I have the documents that generated these amounts, and then I have the post values. We saw already this screen, what has been posted on this asset. I go back one step, and then I'm here again. So if I click here, I wanted to show you that when I go to more links, and so as usual, you can come here and then export this. You can also see this in chart view. I'm not sure if it's very useful for you, but we can see this is option in chart view. And all of these fields are here available to insert in your report. And also one of the things that you can do it by chance, if you don't know yet, you can drag this information into another place of the report. Very simple. If this video was useful for you, please make some notes in the comments. Now you know how to navigate in the Fiori app depreciation lists in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.